In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule cards in Miro. We'll walk through the basics step by step, so even if you're new to Miro, you'll be able to follow along and start using cards to plan your work and timelines more effectively. First, open Miro and go to a new board, or open an existing one where you want to manage your tasks. Starting with a clean board can make it easier to see what's going on, but you can use these same steps on any board you already have. Once your board is open, look over to the toolbar where you see the different tools, media options, and integrations available. This is where Miro keeps a lot of its building blocks, and cards are one of them. Click on the section that shows Tools, Media, and Integrations so you can access the full library of items you can add to your board. In the panel that opens, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type the word card. This helps you quickly filter down to the card feature instead of scrolling through everything. After you type card, you should see the card option appear in the results. Select the card tool and then click anywhere on your board to place a new card. You can now type a title or a short description into the card, for example, a task name, a feature, or a milestone. Cards in Miro work really well in Kanban boards, timelines, or tables, so keep in mind how you want to organize them later as you create them. To schedule your card, click on the card to open its context menu. In this menu, look for the date icon, often represented by a small calendar symbol. Click on that, and you'll see options to set a start date and a due date. Choose the dates that match your project schedule. Setting both start and due dates helps you visualize how long a task should take and where it fits in your overall plan. After dates are set, you can drag and drop your cards into Kanban columns, timeline views, or tables to map out your project. You can also assign cards to team members, and as work progresses, simply drag the cards to update their status. This way, your scheduled cards become a live, visual representation of your project's timeline and responsibilities, and that's how you schedule cards in Miro.